Welcome back, everyone. This will be another video. It's going to be called Coloring Feather Friend of Nature. Feather Friend with Kingart mini markers. And I want to say thank you, the ones that subscribe to my channel. Keep subscribing to this video. And keep hitting that like button too. This is what I have so far. And now we get to the video. No. We're gonna get to it right now. This will be called Coloring Feather Friend. It's like nature. So, Coloring Nature Feather Friend. This will be called Coloring Feather Friend with Kingart mini markers. And happy Friday, everybody. And today's book will be making patterns. And this, doing this on film. This will be tomorrow's book. Might be a nature coloring video, but I don't know what the actual title will be called yet. Spiders, no. Okay, spiders, there's no spiders. Happy birthday to you, no. Okay, happy birthday to you, no. If you all want to, like, subscribe to Corey's video. Corey's video, no. I want to talk about what I like about coloring book about nature, because I like nature stuff, like when it comes to coloring, like different books that go along with nature, like this one, Feathered Friend, or Nature Mandalas. And also I love God, and it's part of God's creation. That's what I love about nature, because God's creation. Okay, I love God's creation. I love God's creation of nature. I like nature because God created it. That's why I like nature. I might do a little reviewing nature related. I might do a video. I don't know when, but it will be called over reviewing of my nature book, of my nature related book, like related of nature. So let's get back to the coloring. And I might not get the whole thing on film today. If we don't have this book, if we don't have this book right here that I'm doing, which is Tablet Creation Fetherd Friends, we don't have one, look it up on Walmart.com because they will have it. If you go on Walmart.com, type Tablet Creation Fetherd Friends adult coloring book, it will come up on Walmart site. Give me the marker. No. Okay, give me the marker. I might get it done today on this one and start the new one tomorrow. Or I might do another review video of my timeline creation book that I have, because I got a few, so I might do a review video of that. So get ready for a new video, everyone. I have this one, and I got another one that I will show, but it might not be today or it might be this week. Because I have this one, Creature Beauty, Fabulous Floors, and Creature of Beauty. I have 4 of them, but I will show them soon, but not yet. I believe I will get this one page finished. And like and subscribe to my video, Clayton's video, and like and subscribe to Corey's video, and also like and subscribe to Grant Gubson's Band video as well. Got the page completed. This is what I have. This is what I have finished already. And again, Timely Creation Feathered Fling. Like, subscribe to Clayton's video. Hit the like button as well. And don't forget to get Timely Creation Feathered Fling coloring book. A peek.